Hello friends, still stuck with the hassle of old school billing at your shop? Confused with credit sales, calculations, and messy reports? Well, it's time to upgrade. OSBooks brings you a quick billing solution designed specially for medical and agro stores. Fast, easy, and completely tension-free. In this video, you'll see how everything from purchase to sales happens in just minutes with OSBooks. Now take a look. This is the OSBooks dashboard. Clean, simple, and smart. Right now, it's empty because we haven't made any entries yet. So let's start with a purchase entry. This will update your stock and your accounts at the same time. For that, let's head to Inventory Purchase. Here, just click on the plus icon or simply start the entry. If you're running a medical or agro shop, then first go to Settings and turn on the batch number setting, because this feature will be important for you. Now let's do the task that usually takes the most time. Purchase bill entry. But this time, not manually. We'll do it the smart way with AI. Just click on Import. Select a photo or PDF of the bill, and the system will automatically read all the details. Then, a model window will open where you can even use a prompt to make custom changes if needed. And finally, with just one click, your entire bill gets imported. Just imagine, what used to take 20 minutes now gets done in just 10 seconds. You can map it, just click the Map button. You can either link the item to an existing product, or if you want, you can create a new product right from here. Now look, your bill has been imported with complete accuracy. If any item is incorrect, just click Edit on that row. And you can update the rate, GST, batch, or quantity right there. Need to edit the entire bill? Simply go to Action Edit at the top and take full control. Now go to the dashboard and refresh it. Your purchase is now fully completed. Stock details have been updated. And by clicking on More Info, you can view the complete details of each item. So now, let's check out the sales entry process. Go to Inventory Sales. Click on the plus icon or press Ctrl plus S. And your sales screen is ready. First, enter the customer's name and hit Save. Then just keep pressing Enter to select products one by one. Fill in the batch number, HSN, GST, quantity, and MRP. And keep adding products to the bill. This same process applies to every item. As you keep adding them, the bill builds up automatically. Now just click on Save Below or press Ctrl plus Enter. Enter the paid amount, select the payment source, and your bill is ready. Now look, the print preview is right in front of you. OSBooks offers multiple formats, and you can even customize them as per your needs. And the best part, you can send the bill directly on WhatsApp without even opening WhatsApp. So, did you see that? OSBooks isn't just software. It's your smart digital partner. The days of manual entries, calculators, and notebooks are gone. Now it's time to go smart. Whether you run a medical store or an agro shop, OSBooks is helping every business become faster, more organized, and more profitable. No more time wasted. Just start using OSBooks. Thank you.